The Equal Protection Clause requires each citizen's vote in state elections to carry equal weight. To accomplish this objective, state legislative representation must be apportioned as much as possible by population. In Lucas v. 44th General Assembly of Colorado, the Supreme Court considered whether an imbalanced state system that apportions representation according to other factors is nonetheless constitutional if the state's voters approve. Competing Colorado citizen initiatives proposed two different state constitutional amendments designed to remedy significant population discrepancies among state legislative districts. The existing system apportioned voters among legislative districts according to population and other factors such as geography, compactness, and consistency with historical divisions like county lines. Under this system, approximately 30% of the state's citizens lived in districts electing a majority of state Senate members, and 32% lived in districts electing a majority of members of the state House of Representatives. For example, one state senator represented a district of approximately 127,000 people, whereas another senator represented a district of only roughly 17,000. The first of these amendments, Amendment 7, provided for apportioning House representatives according to population, while retaining the existing system for the Senate. The other amendment, Amendment 8, provided for apportioning both House and Senate membership according to population. State voters overwhelmingly ratified Amendment 7 and rejected Amendment 8. After Colorado was redistricted in accordance with Amendment 7, approximately 33% of the population lived in districts electing a majority of senators, and 45% lived in districts electing a majority of House representatives. Voters, taxpayers, and residents of counties in the Denver area, including Lucas, sued the Colorado General Assembly and state election officials. Lucas alleged that Amendment 7's apportionment system violated the Equal Protection Clause because it resulted in substantial variation from population-based representation in the Senate, thereby diluting some citizens' votes. Lucas asked for a declaration that Amendment 7 was unconstitutional and for a decree reapportioning both houses of the General Assembly based on population. The district court ruled for the Assembly, concluding that there could be no valid constitutional challenge to an apportionment system established by popular vote. Lucas appealed directly to the United States Supreme Court.